So if you see Bitcoin like now, just consider Bitcoin is gonna go right up to that price point because of this break of structure. Yeah, and also before that, I mentioned that we're gonna see we're gonna expect sort of resistance. Yeah, and we are seeing that resistance. Yeah, so we should expect Bitcoin to at least a little bit something like do something like this, like hold this zone a little bit before we see a huge spike to the upside. So it's gonna happen. I don't know today, but we need to see this weekly candle close above. Anyways, this weekly candle wasn't really that awesome. You can see this week wasn't that awesome, but this is actually a real breakout with full candle closed. On the weekly time frame, and based on this, I'm super bullish with altcoins, even though we're not seeing altcoins like some altcoins are not reflecting immediately. But I think it's a matter in a matter of time, we're gonna see altcoins start doing well. And when are altcoins gonna start doing well? Let's drop down to lower time frame. Let's look at this on this time frame. So based on this time frame, you know, I think what we should expect to happen, is simple. At least today, we should expect price to retrace right down to about $106,000 if possible. Yeah, based on this move, maybe price can retrace right down to about this $106,000, and from $106,000, we can now see price, continue up. But if say price isn't gonna continue, like it's gonna retrace from 106 to retrace to $106, $106,000, then there's high chances we might actually continue the move to the upside. But I think this move, at least somehow within the week or the weekend, it should retrace back to 106 before continue to the upside. All right, because we're already broken, like we are now in a good range. You can see we already passed this zone. This was the zone that we were struggling to break back then. So immediately we break this zone. It was awesome because the price took us back to the upside. I want to try to see how I can fix this. My drawing tool, it's not working the way I want it to do work. Let me see. Maybe I did some things there. Let me see. Yeah, now it's working. I think I did something here. I clicked some stuff there. Let me try to see if this one is working again too. Is this one working now? Yeah, I mean it's working out the way I wanted to do. I clicked this two stuff. Yeah, so that was the reason why I couldn't really get what I wanted. Now let's go back to um this time frame. Let me do what I wanted to do before. So I'm gonna bring in this, from this move here. This was a move. It took us right up there, you know. So from there, I'm gonna now look for take it from here, from this move here. This move started here. It took us up here. You can see. You can see. Took us up here. You know. Now this move has started here. You can see just exactly around that point, 119,000 something. So give or take, we should be going towards that price point, 119,000 or $120,000 dollars for Bitcoin. So if you see Bitcoin around that price point, then you should be looking at ways to cash out some profit, for yourself. If say you are trading, you cash out some profit um immediately. Now, let's look at another chart that is also important here. This is the USDT dominance chart. It's important because this is where the liquidity is coming from. If this chart keep moving downward, like for example, you can see ever since we have been printing red vector candle, you see red. We saw price move downward, red price move sideways, then move downward, red price move sideways, then it moved downward. Now we are seeing this downward trend forming.